Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the all-new Kawasaki Ridge. I'm going to show you the soft upper door kit from Kawasaki. Very nice. Got a nice rigid frame around it. You can unzip it. And you'll be able to roll it up and store it, kind of like a window on a Jeep. You want to take the door kit off, the upper door kit off. All you're going to do, move that latch, move this latch, pull the door up, and boom, you're done. So really easy once you get it installed the first time. It does have that metal frame again all the way around it. It's got a nice rubber bulb seal all the way around it as well. No gaps or anything on the bottom at all.
The premium lip review is one.
You can access it on the inside and the outside as far as the window goes.
Somebody asked me to add these to their order and I didn't think that damn.
435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at Big Pine Sports. It's looking good.